Dafetivi.
Learn practical exercises for has, have, and had in English. My brother dash a new ball. My brother has a new ball. I dash a toy car. I have a toy car. My sister dash a sandwich for dinner last night. My sister had a sandwich for dinner last night. We dash a big house. We have a big house. She dash a beautiful voice. She has a beautiful voice. The birds dash a nest. The birds have a nest. They dash 3 cats as pets. They have 3 cats as pets. He dash a great time at the party last night. He had a great time at the party last night. My dad dash a blue car. My dad has a blue car. The zoo dash animals. The zoo has animals. We dash fun at the park yesterday. We had fun at the park yesterday. The car dash wheels. The car has wheels. The dog dash a shiny coat. The dog has a shiny coat. We dash plan for the weekend. We have planned for the weekend. Dad dash a computer. Dad has a computer. She dash a difficult decision to make. She has a difficult decision to make. John dash a talent for playing the piano. John has a talent for playing the piano. The students dash completed their assignments. The students have completed their assignments. I dash a feeling something good would happen. I have a feeling something good would happen. The company dash a new CEO. The company has a new CEO. They dash enough money to buy a car. They have enough money to buy a car. She dash a wonderful childhood. She had a wonderful childhood. The tree dash many colorful leaves. The tree has many colorful leaves. He dash a strong work ethic. He has a strong work ethic. We dash a meeting at 10 o'clock. We have a meeting at 10 o'clock. They dash been friends since childhood. They have been friends since childhood. My brothers dash new shoes. My brothers have new shoes. The city dash a rich history. The city has a rich history. We dash to leave early tomorrow. We have to leave early tomorrow. They dash a lot of homework to do. They have a lot of homework to do. The restaurant dash delicious food. The restaurant has delicious food. My friends dash travel to many countries. My friends have traveled to many countries. The computer dash a fast processor. The computer has a fast processor. He dash a flat tire on the way to work. He had a flat tire on the way to work. He dash a sore throat last month. He had a sore throat last month. My friend dash a kite. My friend has a kite. The bookshelf dash books. The bookshelf has books. My neighbors dash dogs. My neighbors have dogs. The restaurant dash tables. The restaurant has tables. She dash a new bike for her birthday. She has a new bike for her birthday. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.